And of course, we got the pool, like right next to everything. Check it out. Good morning. This is a beautiful morning here in San Diego. As you can see, let me show you a little bit of the view. That's just gorgeous. Right now, I'm heading down to get breakfast, and yeah, I'm really excited about today. Got a lot of work to do. Got a lot of meetings. The film crew, is doing their thing back in Tijuana, filming the clinic and all those things. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just watch yesterday's vlog. Other than that, we're gonna take this amazing breakfast and I'm gonna go back, schedule the day, and have my calls, okay? So, love you. Okay, so we're going on a walk on the beach. I mean, not the beach, but kind of the bay, because this is the first day where we meet in San Diego and there's actually sun. So we're excited about that. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna take a walk, like through there, I guess, and we have like about 50 minutes before we get to work, but we're gonna enjoy that because this is like the first 30 minutes of sun in San Diego in the last couple of days. And of course, we got the pool, like right next to everything. Check it out. Right there, there's the pool. We're probably not gonna use that today, but we'll keep that in mind and we'll probably do it. Hello, how are you? I realized that I gotta find something that I like, that I want to do, and then put the flag there and build from there, and I think that's so much more powerful.